and we'll talk about it. So, the narrator of this text, who is it? Who is this elusive person? Actually, we're not told in this extract. It is a little bit of a trick question. I'm really, really sorry. But I'm going to explain to you why it's not any one person, why it's no one specific. We're not actually told who the narrator is. Other answers that could have been valid were things like someone who was part of the party, someone who was part of the group of people, an unnamed, person who was there. We've got several clues about this, and I'll show you. So, in terms of this question, if you're sure you're not told something in the text, don't be afraid to say it. Sometimes the examiners are trying to catch you out. Okay, so we'll do a recap on narrative voices just really quickly now, but there are several clues that tell you, and also kind of don't tell you, who the narrator is. Be really, really careful. The narrator and the author are two separate people. Okay, so the author is Arthur Conan Doyle. He is writing a story, but he's writing the story through the lens of one of the characters. Usually, unless that book is an autobiography where the writer is writing about their own life, usually the author and the narrator are completely different people. Okay, because usually the author writes through the point of view of a different character. Exception would be a person writing about their own life. Okay.